Hey, good morning.
Good morning? Why are you doing this?
You mean why am I yawning? I went to bed super late last night because I was watching my favorite show.
Sorry.
Bless you, you sneeze so loud.
I know, right?
Oh my god, I hate when I have the... what do they call it in English?
Hiccups.
Right, I hate when I have the hiccups. You know what? You know so many words in English. Which app do you use to learn them?
I use Promova. It helps me learn all of this useful vocabulary that I can later use in conversations. So use the link in my bio and download the app.
Okay, downloading it now.